Good morning, this is Teresa with Teresa's Weight Loss. During the Wednesday weigh-in, that's all I'm doing. I've got a lot of things to do. So last Wednesday's weigh-in was 275. This weigh-in for yesterday was 268 and a half. Wow. Which brings a total of 6.5 pounds lost for the week. The new protocol that I have added into my 17-day diet routine must be working. I've tweaked the 17-day diet just a little to fit, and it seems to be working. So we'll keep this up and see what happens. Until next video, I will see you then. Bye.